Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compare files in Notepad++. So, let's get us started. Open Notepad++ on your computer. Ensure the two files you want to compare are open within Notepad++ in separate tabs. Go to the Plugins menu in Notepad and select Compare. Then click on Compare to initiate the file comparison process. Notepad will display the differences between the two files side by side. Lines with differences will be highlighted, allowing you to easily identify variances. And that's how you compare files in Notepad. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.